Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Login Helps. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to archive all your Facebook posts at once. With that, you need to head into Facebook application. Make sure to log in on your Facebook account, then tap on three-line icon on the upper right corner. When you reach on menu section, you need to scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now you need to select settings. On the settings and privacy, you need to scroll all the way down and now under your activity, tap on activity log. So once you reach on this activity log page, you need to tap on your activity across Facebook, and from this drop down box you need to tap on post. Again on this drop down box you need to tap on your post, check-ins, photos and videos. So these are the posts that you have made on Facebook. In order to set this post on archive, you need to first select all, which is at the upper left corner. So when you tick mark the all button, your all the posts on Facebook will be selected. Now on the top left corner you can see archive option, or on the bottom left also you can see the archive. You can choose anyone you would like to. Simply tap on archive. So now tap on continue option. So wait until your post has been set to archive. So now after a while you can see that all your post has been set to archive. So in this way you can successfully archive all your Facebook posts at once. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.